Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Amira binti Zulkifli, metric number 118290. So I will present my individual assignment on pejuang saham Slim for company Symphony Life Berhad, Symlife. So in this video, I will present the company's background and the 7 criteria of Slim, such as current earnings, annual earning growth, new product or new management or news, and then supply and demand, leader or laggard, institutional investor, and market direction. And lastly, I will tell the conclusion. Okay, firstly, for the company's background, Symphony Life Berhad, or in short, Symlife, runs a business as property developer in Malaysia. This company was first developed and incorporated as a private line company on 15 July 1964. The core business activities of Symlife are property development, property management, property investment, construction, inquiry operation, and other operations that comprise other investments and investment holdings. Next is the current earning for Symlife. The current earnings growth on the fourth quarter of year 2020 shows an increment of 179% from the same quarter of 2019. It shows that short-term growth of Symlife has been exceeded the 25% of the current earnings requirement. Next is annual earnings growth for Symlife. It shows an increasement on average by 19.8% per year over the previous 5 years. This shows that it does not achieve the minimum benchmark of 25%, which this company is likely profitable and a little bit unhealthy. For the return on equity in the 5-year average is 6.8% only, but it is positive, but it is not reached the requirement of at least 70%. The next criteria is news. For Symlife, in year 2021, this company involved with a project called Open Road International and Integrated Resorts as a partner, which acts as a developer to the real estate in the project. So this project has affected the stock price of the company and hence increased in about a week before the ceremony of the project's announcement. The next criteria is supply and demand. Daily volume traded by the company is lower than the average volume traded for the past 3 months. Okay, when compared to the daily volume traded by the company with the average volume traded for the past 10 days, which is 6 million, it shows that there is a demand for the stocks of the company. And then the criteria of leader or laggard. From the chart, it shows that the Symlife line is under the Sunway line, which it indicates that the Symlife is a laggard in the real estate industry. However, this company is still in the above position from the IOIPG and Sign Property. And then for institutional investor, from the diagram, it shows that the adjusted float, which is the shares that are available and held by the investors or retail investors, is 56.8%. Meanwhile, the balance of 43.2% is the total shares that are held by the institutional investors. Lastly, for market direction, from the chart, it shows that the trend line of the direction of price shows an uptrend from May 2020 for about a year. After that, the trend line began to show downtrend on April 2021 until recent. Investors may choose to not enter a position near the trend line or buy the stock at this time. In conclusion, the canceling criteria that this company has made based on the fundamental and technical analysis are current earnings, news, and institutional investors only. That's all for me. Thank you.